Alright, now I'm going to show you more places where I stick my fingers where they could be imperiled. I'm going to take this rim, tire off the rim. And this machine is not good at doing aluminum rims, but I know a way to do it. And it's deadly. I'll show you. I can't take it off the proper way, the rim face up, because my machine won't grab the edge. It's an antique machine from the late 50s or early 60s. So this is what I do. I flip open this door here, flip open the big tire bead breaker. I got a foot pedal down here for air. I got a foot pedal here for motion. Press the foot pedal, and this goes up. So look where it goes. Not the right spot. So I stick my finger in here so I can push it, lift it up a little bit so it catches the tire and pushes the tire up off the rim. Keep on trying it till I get it. There we go. Now I do it again. And again. Whoop. Come on. BFB. There we go. Gotta have a BFB. Now I can dislodge the tire. Now to the top of it. Flip this out of the way. Whoop. Don't go away. I'm back. I'm back. Silicone spray so you don't break the bead on the tire. Some guys use soap or rim slip, or I got the silicone cheap clearance, so that's what I use. Put some goopy on it so the iron doesn't catch the rubber and take a chunk out of it and ruin the bead, the sealing bead. Spray some more. off the rim. Now we gotta clean this crap off so we get a good seal and the tire doesn't leak. So I'll do that and I'll put it back on in a few minutes while I stumble around in my junk pile. 6.2 diesel filter, Corvair alternators, pictures. Alright, time to get the junk tire off the rim that I had so much trouble with. My antique machine that I bought in 1981, 30 years ago. Come on. Come on. Almost. Nope. There we go. See? I'm gonna drop the tire below the safety part. Safety rims got a ridge there. Antique. The newer machine, not the newer, they have a modification where this thing goes straight up and down. It doesn't tilt. I wish I had that, but I don't. Alas. Michelin tires are always the hardest. Always the hardest. They're always the ones that crack the most. And they're always the hardest to put on and off. Take on and off, take off, put on. They're always the tightest fitting. One more tire. Junk. Now, how's the rim? The previous rim was all rusted. Yep, I gotta grind the rim. Oh, joy. Wonderful. Rusty. Back to work.